In C Sharp, we can swap the values of two integers in two ways. First way is, before that, let's declare and assign the values of two integers. A was, let's say, 10 and B was 20. And next we need to do is, let's print out their current values. Again, now let's try to swap those values. Let's say the value of A is now A plus B, and the value of P, we need that one to be A minus P, and the value of A would be A minus P. So only two integers were used, and now the value of A's and B's are swiped. And if I try to print those values, you can see that in the console the values should be swiped. So initially A was 10, B was 20, now B is 10 and A is 20. The other way is a much simpler one. We want the value of A and B to be replaced by value of B and A. So what we are doing is, we are simply assigning the value of B into A and the A into B, and if we now print the values, those should be in the previous state. You can see now the value of A is 10 now and the B is 20. So I hope you have learned something new. For the videos like this, do subscribe to our channel and keep watching.